Okay, we're surprising Nino, right?
Right.
With his new room.
Yeah.
It's all Boise State.
I think I hear him out the window.
He's in the house. He's getting ready to come up here. Tim told him to come up because he's in trouble. He's going to walk in any minute and see his new room. So let's wait for him.
Okay.
We'll scream surprise. Come here. Okay. Come stand by me.
Here he comes.
He's coming up any second now. Any second.
Nino, come up here.
No, he's coming. Here he comes. Watch. Get in here.
Surprise! Surprise!
What?
Thank you!
What do you think?
Awesome. Nino, look over here. Cool. Thank you. Awesome. This is awesome. You're a birthday boy. So.
Careful, the paint might still be a little wet.
Cool. You love it. That was awesome.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes. And Nino.
Happy birthday.
And Nino,
Thank you.
look at there.
We're number 1. Go, come on, Joe.
And Nino, look, it's showing Nebraska.
You like it?
And
Yes.
Happy
Picture.
birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Nino.
Where is she?
Okay, Nino's birthday is here. It's a very special celebration. And then, in a second, we're going to go downstairs